In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize artboards or groups of objects responsively in Adobe XD. Let's dive right in and unlock the power of responsive design, ensuring your content looks great on any device or screen size. To start, identify and select the artboard or the group of objects you plan to resize. It's important to pinpoint your target because this will be the foundation of your responsive design adjustments. As soon as you've selected your artboard or group, direct your attention to the Property Inspector panel located on the right side of your interface. Here, you're going to find the Responsive Resize toggle, which is crucial for enabling those dynamic adjustments. Simply switch the toggle on, and you'll be on your way to making your design more flexible and adaptive. With Responsive Resize now activated, you have a decision to make: choosing the Resize mode. There are two modes available: Auto and Manual. Selecting Auto allows Adobe XD to handle the constraints automatically. This is perfect if you prefer to keep things straightforward and let the software do the heavy lifting for you. However, if you're someone who enjoys having complete control over the resizing behavior, Manual mode is your go-to option. This mode empowers you to define specific constraints, such as fixed width, fixed height, or fixed margins for each element. In manual mode, you're essentially telling Adobe XD exactly how each component should act when the parent artboard or group gets resized. Once you've chosen your mode and enabled responsive resize, go ahead and start resizing your artboard or group. You can do this by dragging its handles. While resizing, you'll notice pink crosshairs appear, which serve as visual indicators of the constraint relationships that are in play. These crosshairs help you understand how the different elements within your artboard or group interact with each other, which is invaluable when aiming for a harmonious, responsive design. At this point, you might feel like the job's done, but here comes another crucial part: fine-tuning. After the initial resizing, you may want to select specific elements inside your group or artboard to adjust their constraints further. Maybe there's a button that you want to maintain a fixed width, or perhaps a text box that should flex with the content. By tweaking the constraints at this stage, you can refine how every individual component behaves when resizing, ensuring each element contributes effectively to your design's adaptability. And there you have it. A seamless and efficient process to make your designs in Adobe XD responsive, allowing you to cater to various devices with ease and precision. Remember, the more you practice these techniques, the more intuitive they'll become, leading to polished and professional-looking responsive designs. Happy designing!